Hello, welcome to my channel. I'm Kudret. Today we have another mod system from the Smok companies, Rigel kit. I don't know how you wanna call it because everybody's calling different this mod. Rigel, and I don't know. And I have a silver version up here. They are using the dual 18650 battery modes, Type C charging, and 230 watts wattage on this one. And then TVP9, which is same as the SCAR 18 kit. They are using the same tank of this one, 6.5 ml liquid capacity, V9 mesh coil they are using. This is the packaging, similar from the Smok. And then here we can open the package. And this is the packaging inside. We get some battery safety cards, which is really good. You can see all your battery shearings are, if it's damaged, better to change it or buy it new one. And then here is some warranty card, and then here is the user manual. If you want, you can read this one. It is all what is inside, and then it's really light mode. It's not that heavy at all, which is 18650. It is working this machine, but it's really light and small, similar slim modes. 103.5 grams, which is not without batteries, and then 44 by 88 millimeters tall, and the 28.8 millimeters top on the size. Here you can read it if you want this one. Here is the packaging inside. We get some bag of extra O-ring, and here is the one Type C charging cable, and then for the updating. And here is the one extra coil, which is 0.8 15 ohm. Yeah, between the 40 and 90 watts. Actually, they are the same. If you want to see anything of this tank, you can watch my other videos, SCAR 18 videos. Actually, they are the same tank. And here is this is the SCAR 18. This is the same TVP9. And this is the mod himself. Yeah, it is really nice on the hand. It's slim. You can see it, especially with the two 18650 batteries. Here is some kind of rubberized things, but it is plastic mode. It's same as Vaporous Gen modes. Feeling on the hand is really nice. I really love it. And here is some kind of carbon, but I don't think it is real. It's got a sticker or something. Here is some shiny screen on the front. And then this is the top. Like I said, 28.8 millimeters up here. Up here this one, and the 44 by 88 millimeters, 103 gram without the batteries, which is really light. And here is our charging port or upgrade, Type C, up and down, and a mini button. Here's the power. Here is Rigel. I don't know how you want to call it. This is the battery door, and then under it you can see all the holes for the battery. Spring load 510 pin. This is the battery door. Really nice on the feeling on the hand. And then here is the battery place. You can see the positive and negative part marks there. We can put some batteries in there if you want. Up and down. Yeah, still is really nice on the hand. Doesn't make any sound or anything. It's really nice. We can put some size comparing. Here is the, which is single battery. You can see the one geek vape. It is really nice for dual. And then this is the SCAR 18, as you see it here. It's really nice small mod. I really love it. So nice. I feel on the hand perfect. Here is our 5 click. Turn it on. Yeah. Here is a Rigel, and here is the menu system from the Smok. You can see there are battery percent up there, wattage, voltage, ohm, puff counter, and then time. You can see it up here to up to 230 watts. And then there's a round robin from the 1 watts. As you can see, if we click 3 times, power locked, everything is locked now. 2, 3, and then power unlocked. If you press the power button and the up button same time, you can see the menu color changing. Yeah, and then down on the power button same time, you see the clear puff, yes or no. You can see it. If you press up and down button same time, wattage locked, and it's still firing on the power button. Yeah, it is not really much as a like a pod systems menu they put in this one. It's so similar. There is no anything like a temperature control or anything, just the wattage mode. That's it. So similar is nothing. Like I can put some this T59 on top of it, which is they are same as SCAR 8, and that's why I'm using this one, which is I like it more like this, black. And here is it. Yeah, not much talk about it. Let's vape and then we talk about it more. Yeah, that was the Smok Rigel, how you wanna call it, it's so difficult name. Like I say, this tank is same as SCAR 18 tank. You can watch my other videos, and then somewhere up here it will come all the different colors as well. There is a available. And then I'm vaping on the 50 watts. Airflow is full open. Let's vape. Guys, a little bit too much air for me. Yeah, same tank, same coil, nothing different with that. I'm just gonna talk about it, the mode today. Maybe you remember years ago, like maybe 2-3 years ago, I don't remember how long. There was Smok Alien Kits, which is almost from the Smok company's most famous mod everybody was using like as a starter kit and everything. I think this is almost like a second version or something. It is really nice. On the hand, it's feeling really good, which is like with the Vaporos again style they are using up here. And yeah, it is on the hand is really nice, really nice. And then when you go out of the house, it is so easy to take it with your dual 18650 batteries, and so lightweight, and then you don't feel it in your pocket and everything. I think it's a really nice mode. I don't have any complaint about it. Yeah, maybe it's just a temperature control. There's a couple of people are using temperature control and everything, and this is just similar like as a starter kit. It's actually real starter kit. Like there is just watt mode, and then you just use as a watt mode. That's it. You don't know where any temperature control, any other thing. It's so easy to use it. Maybe just that is the corner, and then this I don't have any problem at all. It's so nice on the hands and easy to hold. Yeah, you cannot complain about it. Nothing to say about it. And then you know all the tank, this T59. That, like I say, you can watch my other videos, and yeah, all of the same. Out of all, I really like it. As a price wise, I think is like a 30 euro, 35 euro, something like that. I cannot give you any link or something. If you go to Smok Tech internet site, you can see all the other informations, colors and everything. Yeah, out of all is really nice kit. I've been using with other my RTAs and everything. It's so nice. It's so easy to use it, and on the hand look nice. Everything is perfect for me. I don't have any complaint about it. The mode is really nice and everything. Thank you very much for watching me. If you like the video, you know where is the button. Have a nice day. Take care of yourself.